And this village, the name Air Aba, make very traditional rice paper. Now that we're here, like when they start to dry, they make the noise. Now almost of people they make by machine, but some of them they make traditional way. They need to press rice powder very smooth with the cake, and they put sesame seeds together. One day, she made about 40 kilogram of rice powder. With the 40 kilogram of rice powder, she can make 1,600 of rice paper. She can earn $20 per day. Quite good earn money, but not every day. 1 month she can earn around $300 per month, with quite a lot of work. Here they make by machine with 500 kilogram of rice powder per day, and so 10 people work. Very different with traditional way, only 40 kilogram of rice powder per day.